welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to record drone footage with cinematic settings. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to record footage with cinematic settings on your drone, you need to combine manual camera adjustment, smooth flight controls, and post-production techniques. So for this, you need to have your drone camera app ready. So you need to have your official app of drone. I have like TLJ. So you can simply install the official app of your drone. So once you have done this, you can simply then manually control over your camera settings, as it is very essential for cinematic footage. You need to keep the frame rate at like 24 to 25 frames per second, and if you're shooting at a higher frame rate, you can have like 60 or 120 fps. After this, you need to have the shutter speed and ND filters and your ISO as low as possible. It might be best if you keep it typically at 100. After this, you need to simply adjust the color profile and resolutions as well. So you need to have a smooth flight for cinematic movements. Jerky fast movements look amateurish. The secret to cinematic shots is very smooth and controlled flying. Once this is done, polish with post-production and editing. Your work isn't finished when you land the drone. Editing is where you bring your cinematic visions to life. So this is how you can simply record drone footage with cinematic settings. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.